Mandaragiri is a famous tourist destination located 60 kilometers from Bangalore. It takes around 90 minutes approximately to reach the destination. The route that we are taking right now is the one suggested by Google Maps, but you can take the next right at the arch to avoid any confusion. It is a beautiful place attracting many viewers, bloggers, vloggers, and spiritual seekers over the past decade. In this video, we will show you the story, importance, and the divinity about this wonderful place. So hang in and enjoy the remaining of the vlog. Inaugurated in 2011, it is a monolithic statue, which means it was carved out of one stone. In Digambara Jain traditions, it is customary to dress in man's most natural form. Digambara monks cherish virtues like non attachment and non possession of material objects. This is why they wear no clothing, but monks carry community owned pinchi. This pinchi is a broom made of fallen peacock feathers. It is used for removing and thus saving the lives of insects in their path or before they sit. At Mandaragiri, there is a giant statue of a Mahavira lookalike. It was actually built in honor of Chandranatha Tirthankara. He was one of the ascetics who came upon Mandaragiri and propagated Digambara sect in South Karnataka. At the entrance of any Jain temple, you will see a manastham or a pillar. It signifies that any person who is entering the holy complex of Jains is leaving behind his ahankar, meaning the ego. It is a pinchy shaped ashram which is 81 feet tall and was completed in a record time of 18 months. It also holds a record as it is only one of its kind in all of Jain establishments. This ashram is dedicated to Acharya Sri Shantisagar, who was an Indian monk of the Digambara school of Jain faith. He was the first Acharya and the leader of his sect in the 20th century. He was born in 1872 in Bhoj, Belagavi district and was married at the tender age of 9, and his wife soon passed away only 6 months in 1905. His parents passed away in 1912 as well. That is when he started his pilgrimage with the famous Shravana Belagola. In 1918, he was lustrated as a Kshullaka into the Sangha or the holy order by Devappa or Devakirti Swami. He took his Ailaka or religious vows before an image of Tirthankara Neminatha. In about 1920, Shantisagarji became a full Muni or monk of the Digambara sect of Jainism. In 1922, at Yarnal village, Belagaum district, Karnataka, he was given the name Shantisagara or Ocean of Peace. On 18 September 1955, he completed the practice of Sallekhana or Samadhi, which is a gradual reducing of intake of fluid and food leading to death. Acharya Shantisagarji attained Utkrushta Samadhi Maran after the 35th or 36th day of fasting. Okay, now begins the Herculean task. Every fat boy's enemy, every fat person's arch nemesis. If you have watched Kung Fu Panda, you know what I'm talking about. It is the stairs. They say there is 450 steps to the top of the hill of Mandaragiri. Let me try it out and tell you if it is actually fat people friendly or not. See you if I make it. Okay guys, I made it to the top. I'm still alive. The struggle is real. The weather is splendid. Maybe that's why I made it quite comfortably. I mean, better than the other days, because if the sun was burning up on me, I don't think I would have made it. I started around 9 o'clock and now it's around 9:25. The average time that a person takes here is 15 minutes. It is 450 steps, but trust me, it looks like a cakewalk. The steps are not steep. You think you can easily do it, but once you're obese and once you're not fit and your breathing has issues, oh my god, you will take a couple of breaks, but it's okay. Take some breaks for people who are a little on the fatter side, on the obese side. Take some breaks because the view from here is quite mesmerizing. This is the view, and those are the goddamn steps which goes all the way until there, until the tree. Like, let me, until there. That's the car, and this is where I am. This is the view, guys. They're constructing a building on top of a hill, so they've made even more steps. The steps ends and it continues. See, that is the place where we saw this one, the ashram. That is the Bahubali statue. This is the view, and this is how the weather is like. There are a total of 4 establishments on top of the hill dating back to 12th century and 14th century respectively. There is a Chandranath Tirthankara, Chandraprabha Tirthankara, Parshvanath and Suparshvanath, and there is also a Kshetrapal. I was only able to capture 3 of them in this video, while the 4th one was occupied for some religious event and I was not allowed inside. Don't forget to check out the beautiful Maidala Lake set right behind the Mandaragiri hills, where you can witness nature at its purest and best. Please try not to litter to maintain the sanctity of the place, and also do enjoy the calm and serenity of nature.